Hello friends, Philately of India for the year 2010. A selection from our collection. Platinum Jubilee of Reserve Bank of India. India is the largest democratic country in the world. 60 years of Election Commission of India. Postal Heritage Buildings of India. We can see the beautiful architecture at Shimla, Uttakamandalam, Kuch Bihar, Delhi, Lucknow and Nagpur. Year 2010 was declared as International Year of Biodiversity by United Nations General Assembly. New Delhi hosted the 19th Commonwealth Games in the year 2010. It is a tradition that Queen's Baton will start its journey at Buckingham Palace, London, then travel through all the country members of Commonwealth and finally reach to the host country. The route map of the Queen's Baton is visible here, which starts at Buckingham Palace and ends at New Delhi. Indian Naval Air Squadron 300. Rath Yatra at Jagannath Puri. Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium and Talkatora Stadium, New Delhi. Brihadeshwar Temple. This temple is nearly 1000 years old, built during Chola dynasty, and it is at Tanjavur. This temple is a tribute to Chola dynasty's power, wealth and artistic merit. 19 Commonwealth Games begin at Delhi. India won 101 medals in total, including 38 gold medals. Stamp on Stamp, a fascinating and popular theme in philately. Here we can see the 4 stamps depicting old stamps of some princely states of India. They are from Bamra, Cochin, Sirmaur, Indur. 14th of November, Children's Day. 4 stamps are published depicting toys and games popular amongst children. India-Mexico joint issue. The Crafts Museum at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi. The museum has rendered yeoman service in the promotion of Indian heritage and culture. 100 years of Central Bank of India. The depiction shows the founder Sir Sorabji Pochkhanawala and the heritage building, the headquarters in Mumbai. The Lalita Kala Academy, founded in the year 1955, the pivotal center of Lalita Kala in India. Thank you for keeping company of Vishwas Joshi. Please like, share and subscribe.